Are you ready to elevate your cybersecurity skills? The Certified Professional Penetration Tester (eCPPT) certification is your gateway. As a professional, you need practical skills in a digital battlefield. The eCPPT empowers you with hands-on experience in penetration testing and ethical hacking. Gain essential skills across various domains like web app testing and Active Directory. Master practical tasks like vulnerability identification and exploitation. Unlike other certifications, eCPPT emphasizes real-world applications. Stand out in the industry with a highly respected credential recognized globally. Take the first step today. Enroll in INE Security's eCPPT certification and start your journey towards a rewarding career. Time to get certified.